Hi guys, good morning. How are you? I hope that you stay fine, that you have had a great weekend. Let's going to start with our class and I will ask to you that if you already get joined, please write your name and I can take your assistance. Buenos días, entonces chicos, bienvenidos. Vamos a dar inicio a la clase de número 1 de la semana número 3. If someone of you have joined to the transmission, please write your name and the word I'm here. Escriban su nombre, por favor, y la palabra estoy aquí para que yo pueda tomarles su asistencia. Remember, we are working our first review, so if you have your brochure, we can do some exercise today. We can complete it, right? So I have already here ya tengo aquí conmigo a Benja. Remember, if you didn't listen your name, please write it again, right? Recuerden, si en lo que yo les voy tomando la asistencia, ustedes no escuchan su nombre, por favor, vuélvanlo a escribir para que no pierdan los puntos de la asistencia, right? Benjamín, Carly, Ceci, David, okay, who else? Albino, hi Albino. Camila, hi Camila, how are you? Carly, yeah, I already have taken your assistance. And Kimberly. Okay, let's going to start. Remember, if you already get joined to the transmission, write your name and the word I'm here so I can take your assistance, right? Okay, let's going to start. As you remember, we are working on the lesson number 10, right? Si pueden recordar, estamos trabajando en la lección número 10 es la que nos corresponde, pero hemos venido trabajando acerca de todos los vocabularios que hemos visto en estas dos primeras semanas. Trabajamos weekend plans, the lesson 1, what are you going to do in the future? Future dreams and fun activities, what will you like? And what do they do, right? ¿Qué hace lo que les gustaría hacer o a qué se dedican las personas que a ustedes les gustaría hacer? The last week we were talking about the restaurant, how to go shopping, how to ask something in the restaurant, and how to ask or how to say food and drinks, right? So today we are going to make our first review about all these topics, right? El día de hoy entonces vamos a tener nuestra primera como review, podríamos decir nuestro primer repaso de todas estas actividades, right? So, let's going to start, but first I'm going to take assistance. I have here to Christian. Hi, Christian, how are you? Also to Daniel, Diego, and Alejandro. Good morning, Alejandro. Remember, if you already are joined to the transmission and you didn't listen your name, write it again, right? Because in some occasions, I don't know why, but YouTube didn't let me watch all the comments, right? So if you have joined it, write your name. So let's going to start and let's going to make our first review. Remember, you have to try to write in the chat the things that I am asking, right? So I'm sorry. Let's going to start. I will show you here. I want to know if you remember the vocabulary. Primero quiero recordar, bueno, quiero ver si se recuerdan de los vocabularios, right? So let's going to look this picture and you are going to tell me what do you see according to the numbers, right? You are going to say to me what do you look according to the numbers. I'm going to ask to you some numbers and you have to write, oh miss, I'm looking that, or miss is that, right? So listen correctly the question and you have to write according to that. So as you can see, we have here ice cream and the number 1, a school fair and the number 2, and a talent show. Hot dogs in the number 3. Some guys making a line on face painting in the number 4. Magic tricks in the number 5. write a pony on the number 6, right? As all the things that we have. Hi, Lucy. How are you? Welcome. So let's going to start, and I would like that you tell me, or that you write on the chat, what do you see on the number 1? Incomplete sentences, right? Remember, you have to say it in complete sentences. Deben escribírmelo en oraciones completas. What do you see in the number 1? What are they going to do this weekend? What are they going to do this weekend? Remember, I'm waiting for your messages, and you have to try to tell me, right? So I have here to Edis. Hi, Edis. How are you? So what do you see or what are they going to do in the number 1 in the school fair? Hi, Edri. Don't worry. Are you ready? Or I'm going to take your assistance. So what are they going to do in the park? I think so, that they are in the park. I would like that you watch and then you can write all the things that you see, right? Me gustaría que vieran la imagen y que todos ustedes escribieran todas las cosas que pueden ver. Por ejemplo, there are 4 balloons, there are 1 ice cream, there's a guitar, a piano, there are a dog, right? That you can write me in the chat all the things that you can see according to the number that I am asking. But the first that I said is, what are they going to do in the school fair or in the park according to the number 1? ¿Qué van a hacer ellos en el parque de la feria escolar de acuerdo al número 1? So you have to try to answer to me with complete sentences, right? Con oraciones completas. So I'm waiting for your answers. Estoy entonces esperando sus respuestas. I don't know if my transmission is getting slow, but I can see your answers. Ice cream. Okay, we have ice creams there. Okay, that's correct. That's a good one. But what are they going to do? You have to say, they are going to eat an ice cream. Or they are going to buy an ice cream. She is going to sell an ice cream, right? Ellos van a comprar un helado. Ellos van a comerse un helado. Ella va a vender un helado. All you can see in the number 1. So, let me know. Tell me all the aspects, that you can see in the number 1. What are you looking? She is curly, she is small, she is blonde, right? Okay, I'm going to repeat again the instructions. I have Ceci here asking for the instructions again. So, I was telling you that we are going to write sentences, or that you are going to write sentences in the chat according to all the things that you see, right? About the number that I say. For example, we are working the number 1 now. So, you are going to say, they are going to buy. Ellos van a comprar helados, right? Also, you can say, the girl is the first one in the line. La chica es la primera en la fila. The lady who is selling the ice creams looks so smiley. Sorry. La señora que les está vendiendo los helados luce muy sonriente. Yeah, all the aspect that you can see in the number that I'm telling to you. Todos los aspectos que ustedes puedan ver en la imagen, right? So, what do you see in the number 1? I'm waiting for you. Albino already, or Albino has written, sorry, ice creams, right? So he see ice creams. They watch do magic shows. Okay, that's correct. That's on the number 5. Great. She's going to buy an ice cream. Correcto. That's correct. She's going to buy an ice cream. Okay. What else do you see? So let's going to make it in the whole picture. Vamos ahora a hacerlo ya no solo en el número 1, sino en toda la imagen. What do you see? Let me know. For example, you can say they are going to make face painting. They are going to go to the ice cream store. So you have to add store at the end of the ice cream. Remember, if you use I, you, we, you, and they, you have to use, if you use we, this for, you have to use are. If you use I, you have to say I am going. If you use this for, you have to say they are going, you are going, we are going, you are going, right? And if you use he, she, or it, you have to say he is, she is, it is going, right? So face painting, that's correct. But remember, you have to try to say it in complete sentences, right? Not just to say face painting. So you have to say they are going to do, or she is going to do face painting, right? They are going to do face painting. That's correct. The next one, he is going to ride a pony. He is riding a pony. That's correct too. Esa también está correcta. Él ya está montando un pony y ellos montarán un pony. They watch the talent show. Excellent. Ellos están viendo el talent show. So, that's correct. Do you have another one? Okay, you already have said the number 1. You already have said the talent show. You say the pony, the magic tricks, the face painting. They are going to buy a hot dog. That's correct. That's the one that was missing. So you already have complete here all the sentences. They are going to buy a hot dog. I'm going to ride a pony. That's correct. Excellent. Right, guys. So let's going to try to advance. Now I'm going to that you watch this one. Let's going to work on this. I don't know if you are working the platform. No sé realmente si están trabajando la plataforma. But I would like to have a practice of this again. Me gustaría que la volviéramos a practicar aquí. Let's going to do together, and I'm going to take this one like an exercise, right? This week, let's going to work every class day one exercise from the platform, and I'm going to take it like an exercise, right? So, let's going to start. The question here says, is she, going to get a haircut? Is she going to take a haircut? Como les decía, vamos a ir trabajando la plataforma y la vamos a trabajar aquí en clase, right? So I'm going to take your assistance and then I'm going to take your participation if you answer, even if your partners already have give answer to the question, right? Yo voy a tomarles la asistencia aquí, cuando ustedes ingresen a la transmisión y escriban su nombre. Voy a corroborar la asistencia y voy a tomarles la nota del ejercicio de clase. When you write, cuando ustedes escriban las respuestas a lo que se les está pidiendo, incluso si alguien más ya la dio, right? So, let's going to start. Is she going to get a haircut? And you have here, okay? Yes, yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Okay, that's correct. Good, Edri. Good Danielle and good Lucy, right? Camila too, yes she is, right? Kimberly, yes she is. Ceci, yes she is. Albino, yes she is. Iris and Christian, right? So, good guys. That's how I'm going to take your assistance, right? So, let's going to have the yes, she is. Let's going to check. And that's correct. I will try to don't get down the volume if you are using earphones because that it's so hard. So let's go into advance. Go with the next. What she's going to do this weekend. What she's going to do this weekend. ¿Qué hará ella este fin de semana? She's going to she's going to go to a school concert or she's going to watch a movie. She is going to go to school concert or she's going to watch a movie. Diego, right, Diego? Yes, she is. Okay. She is going to go to school concert. That's correct. Okay, I want that you see here she's going. Okay, that's correct. Concert, sorry. Okay, I would like that you see that here we are using some contractions, right? So remember, she is the long form. She is como la forma larga. But when you say she's all together with the apostrophe and just the S, you are using or you are saying she is too. But in the short form, sorry. So she's going to go to school concert. She's going to go to school concert, okay? She's going to go to school concert. That's correct. She's going to go. Don't forget the next verb, okay? Lucy, so first our subject, right? Siempre va a ir primero nuestro sujeto. Then we are going to add the verb to be or the auxiliary verb to be. El siguiente siempre va a ser el auxiliar del verbo to be. Am, is o are, right? Cualquiera de los tres. Going to no lo podemos quitar because that's the one that defines the future. Este es el que define el futuro, going to. So, go es nuestro verbo principal. Go to, ir a en este caso, right? So, you have to have like a principal verb even more than going to, right? Deben tener siempre un verbo principal, incluso después de going to. No importa si se repite otra vez como en este caso. She is going to go, right? Porque este es nuestro auxiliar en este caso. Este es nuestro verbo principal, right? So you can change it. O you can forget it, perdón, no pueden olvidarlo, deben como añadirlo. Y por último, we have our complement. Ya al final tenemos nuestro complemento, lo que vamos a hacer, right? So she's going to go to school concert. Ella irá a un concierto escolar. Remember that is going to solamente hace que nuestro siguiente verbo sea futuro, right? So, ¿cuál es el futuro de ir? You say ir en futuro. Irá, right? O iré, si es yo. Irás, si es tú o si es, yeah, if this you. Irán, si es cualquiera de, irá, perdón, si es él, si es ella, puede ser el mismo. Irán, si es ellos o ellas. Iremos, si somos nosotros, right? So, you have to, stay clearly with that. I'm reading your messages and it says she's going to school concert, she's going to go to school concert. Right, that's correct. She's going to go to school concert. She's going to go to school concert. That's correct. Don't worry. Everything happened. O sea, siempre pasa. No se preocupe. Hasta a mí a veces también se me olvida poner algunas cosas, right? So, but you have to have it on mind, right? Let's go into check and let's go into advance. That's correct. Number 3. What do they do or what do they want to do next weekend? ¿Qué quieren hacer? Remember, want to always, also and always express desire, something that you want to do in the future or something that you are going to do in the future. Want, como les decía, también expresa deseo, right? That's the main idea of want, el deseo, o what, lo que quieren hacer in the future. So it said, what do they want to do next weekend? ¿Qué quieren hacer ellos el siguiente fin de semana? They want to watch a movie or they want to go to school concert. In this case, it's the same. First our auxiliary, then first our subject, primero nuestro sujeto, then our auxiliary, en este caso es want to, y luego nuestro complemento. Este puede cambiar, este no. Este verbo también, que es nuestro verbo principal, y por último nuestro complemento. They want to watch a movie, a video, a song, a concert, right? So, it can change. Este puede como que cambiar. Y por último, they want to go to school concert. Ellos quieren ir a un concierto escolar. So, your questions say they want to watch a movie, 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 they want to watch a movie. That's correct. So, don't forget also that all our sentences start with a capital letter. Todas nuestras oraciones van a empezar siempre con una letra mayúscula, right? And with a dot. Y con un punto, a period, un punto y aparte o un punto y seguido. Siempre una mayúscula y un punto. So, let's go into take it. They want to watch a movie. Check. And that's correct. Excellent. Let's go into advance. What do they want to do? Oh, sorry, it's the same. What does she like to do? ¿Qué le gusta a ella hacer? I want that you watch here. We have had 3 different sentences. The first one said, what are they going to do? ¿Qué harán? Right? What do they want to do? ¿Qué quieren hacer? ¿Qué desean hacer? And this number 3 say, what does she like to do? ¿Qué le gusta hacer? Right? What does she like to do? They are saying están viendo Batman. Yes, definitely. Batman versus Superman. Okay. Let's continue. What does she like to do? Aquí estamos hablando de algo como diferente. ¿Qué le gusta a ella hacer? ¿Qué actividades? Right? So, she likes to take care of animals. She likes. That's correct. Excellent. Remember, when we use she, he, she, or it, cuando utilizamos cualquiera de estos 3 pronombres, he, she, or it, you have to add to your verb an S at the end, right? Cuando los usamos, estos 3, deben siempre añadir una S al final de todos los verbos. Esto va a depender de acuerdo en cómo terminen, right? Porque si terminan en una O, if they finish in an O, you have to add ES, right? Entonces ustedes deben añadir ES, right? No solo S. So you have to say, she likes to take pictures, or you can say, she likes to take care of animals. So, you are writing, she likes to take care of animals. That's correct. And let's go into check. Great. You are doing great, guys. So, next one. Sorry. And let's go into have this one. What are they going to do? ¿Qué harán ellas? ¿Qué harán? So, look, they are thinking, right? On something to eat on the lunch, maybe. De comer en el almuerzo, perdón. What are they going to do? ¿Qué van a hacer? They are going to have a steak and pasta or they are going to have a steak and baked potato. Ellas obtendrán u ordenarán. Remember, have en este caso es ordenar. Y como tiene el going to, se vuelve futuro. Ordenarán, right? So, they are going to order or they are going to have a steak and pasta or they are going to have a steak and baked potato. What do you think is the correct? They are going to have a steak and a baked potato. That's correct. They are going to have a steak and a baked potato. Baked potato, that's correct. Bake it. You already have corrected, right? Great. They are going to have a steak potato. Remember, it's the same sentence. Subject, auxiliary verb to be, just in short form. Este es el auxiliar de la forma to be en forma corta. Going to, you can have, you can quit it, no lo pueden quitar. Have, que es nuestro verbo principal, and steak and a baked potato or complement. So, it says they are going to have a steak and baked potato. Okay, I don't know. Do you have questions or something that you didn't understand about that? No sé, ¿tienen alguna pregunta o duda con respecto a esto? ¿Algo que no hayan entendido about this? I think that we are going to make a stop here because the class has finished. So I didn't want to take more time because you have to receive more classes. And sorry for coming late, right? I will, let's going to continue with the next class on Wednesday, right? Okay, no questions. Thank you so much for that. I hope that you had a great week today. That you can start a great day and a great week. Entonces, espero que puedan iniciar una buena semana. God bless you. Don't forget that. I hope that you had a great week. Espero que tengan una buena semana. And I hope to see you in the next class that will be on Wednesday. I think so. So, thank you so much. Bye, guys. God bless you.